Hello everyone, I am glad to welcome you to the Drive It Easy channel. Today we will consider a very interesting situation at the intersection. In the meantime, subscribe to the channel, like and of course comment. I am very interested in your opinion on road situations. Let's get started. So the white car approached this intersection. This intersection is regulated by two signs. Write in the comments what these two signs mean. The question is, in which of these directions is the driver of the white car allowed to move? Here are the answer options. A. Turn left or U-turn. B. Turn left or turn right. C. Go straight or turn right. D. In all directions except straight ahead. I invite you to share your own answers in the comments. It's time for an interesting fact then. Despite the heat that reigns in Thailand all year round, there is a rule that prohibits drivers from driving with a bare torso. This applies to both men and women, although the fines are quite symbolic. This is such a strange rule. Maybe your country also has the same strange traffic rules? And so the correct answer to this question is A. Turn left or U-turn. Congratulations to everyone who gave the correct answer. Now let's figure it out. We have a main road sign, but it doesn't give us anything in this situation. And the second sign is a mandatory one that clearly indicates the direction of movement. That is, the car cannot go straight in any case. The car also cannot turn right because it did not occupy the far right lane in advance, as required by the rules. Therefore, the car can only turn left and turn in the opposite direction. This mandatory sign does not prohibit the car from turning. Write in the comments whether your answer coincided with mine. Thank you all for your attention. Take care of yourself and be careful on the road.